وبركاته. In front of you is grade 3 pupils from Al-Adala Academy, ready to recite a poem entitled Education. Welcome. Education is the key of life and is the only wealth you can give to your child. Education needs cooperation of 3 people: you teachers, you parents, and we pupils. Teachers cooperate, parents cooperate, and we shall cooperate too. Thank you.